Excuse me. This is Becky with iHeart Art Studios, and welcome back to my channel. I do apologize that it has been a couple weeks since I've posted anything. We are getting into the busy season, and, well, I found this little app called TikTok that I decided to join, and it's been really fun, but also a little time consuming. So I do not mean to leave out all of you who are following me through YouTube. And guess what has happened in this weird turn of events is I have finally hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. 100! You guys, do you know how many people that is? That is like 100 people. That is a lot of people. 100! That's a lot of people. That is a lot of people. Actually, I think this morning I was at 102. So in honor of my 100 subscribers, I'm going to make 100 Christmas ornaments. Yes. Well, I'm going to try to make 100 Christmas ornaments. I'm going to give one away to one of my lucky subscribers. So I am just super thankful that you are all joining me. I can't believe you are subscribed to watch my ridiculous, because I do tend to talk a lot, which has been a little tricky over on TikTok because they give you 1 minute. And I can easily talk for more than a minute and not say anything important. I am just so thankful for all 100 of you, 102 of you. And with this video and me creating 100 Christmas ornaments, that's a lot. I have no idea how it's gonna go. How do we get started? Let's do it. We're gonna go to the garage. We're gonna cut some MDF, and then we're going to make sure we have 100, and then we're gonna start painting. And that will be that. All right, let's get going. Welcome to the garage, aka the workshop, where I will be cutting all of those ornaments. I will be using MDF, and I will be using my jigsaw to do some cutting, and then I will also be using my miter saw as I am continuing on this lovely journey of making 100 Christmas ornaments. Okay, here we go. I did it! I have 100 ornaments cut out. So this is basically step one. And I will also link all the items that I use in today's video down below. So feel free to check them out if you would like to. So I have them stacked in groups of 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110 actually. And so since I hit my 100 subscribers, I'm going to make 100 ornaments. However, any amount that I am over 100 by the time I get this video posted, I'll give away that many ornaments. So right now I'm at 105, which means I'm gonna give away 5 ornaments. And I am gonna go ahead and use, this is just Handy Art acrylic gesso. I'm going to put this on all of the ornaments, and I'm gonna speed this process up so you don't have to watch it too close. I've gotten most of my ornaments, I've gotten most of them gessoed. What I needed to do was I put 2 coats of gesso on, and then I realized as I was gessoing them that some of them had kind of a rough edge. So I went and sanded them, which I should have done first, but whatever. I'm gonna keep on creating, and I'm gonna let you know how it goes when it is done. It has been all day. I think I started at 7:30 this morning setting up. and I started filming about 8:30, and then right now it's 5:41. So it has been all day, and I really don't have a whole lot to show yet. I mean, I do have 110 ornaments here, but I only have like a couple painted. So, but I'm hoping that will go fast. It's just a lot of writing, tedious stuff. I don't want to say that this is a bad thing, but you need to stop subscribing. Yeah, at least until I can get my video posted. I'm totally spitting. I'm at 117 subscribers right now, which means I have to give away 17 ornaments. Thank goodness they're small. But oh my lord, you guys. Thank you, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to get painting. This is Becky Winter, going crazy. Just teasing. I'm not really going crazy. And this is kind of fun, actually. It is pretty fun, actually. It's just a lot. It's kind of a big challenge that I'm taking on. That's it. I'm cutting you off. Oh my word, you guys. So since I posted my sneak peek, I was at 105 subscribers. As of right now, I have 124. So let me do a little bit of math here. 19 new subscribers, which completely blows my mind because I know I'm just a small little YouTuber here, brand new here in the docket. So welcome to my craziness. This means I am giving away, to my word, 24 Christmas ornaments. Okay, so I do have them almost all of them finished, but I do need to get this video edited and out to you, and so there's going to be a couple things that I'm going to have to just finish up, which will be basically just putting the little tags on there. But I'm going to let you know what your options are. So if you want to be one of the lucky people who win one of these, what you're going to need to do is I'm going to share a few options that you're going to have available, and then you're going to have to comment below with which option you would like to win. All right. And how am I going to pick my winners? Well, I'm basically just going to put, this is probably going to be more work for me, but I was thinking about just kind of putting all of the names in a hat and then drawing so many out. 24. 24. That's it. I'm cutting you off. That's it. Every day I've been waking up and I was like, oh my gosh, like of the 100 ornaments that I need to make, now I need to make 24 more. So you guys are keeping me busy, but I'm just super excited. So happy 24 extra. Happy 124. You guys are rocking it. Thank you so much for supporting my little business. Okay, so option number 1 will be art related ornament. 3 options for each of my categories that I'm going to be showing to you. So art related will be something kind of like this. I arted in 2020. It might just be a little paintbrush. Maybe it will be a little palette of paint. Or maybe it will be a mystery. It will be a surprise. So the other option will be Christmas related. So it might be a Christmas ornament. It might be a beautiful little wreath. Or it might be a cute little Christmas tree. Or it might be something other than those, but related to Christmas. The next one is going to be 2020 related, as in We are living in a quarantine pandemic, worst year of the world type of thing. So those ones will look similar to this. Our first pandemic, 2020. Survived the great toilet paper shortage, 2020. We're in this together, but 6 feet apart. Or it might be a mystery one that is not included here. And so that would be the 2020 related ornaments. And then finally, the one that I feel like might be the most popular, I'm not really sure, is going to be gnome related ornaments. So I do have a variety. They all are a little bit different. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. And then this one actually says go away 2020. So if you would like to win a version of one of these, you need to be a subscriber. Ding. This might make my dogs bark. If you want to win one of these, you must first be a subscriber. Second, like this video that you're watching right now. This one right here. Number 3, comment which one you like the best. And then what I'm going to do is after 5 whole days, I'm going to go through all of the comments and I am going to pick 24 lucky winners. Now, granted, I typically don't even get 24 comments on, I've actually never had 24 comments on any of my videos. I barely hit 20 likes on my videos. So if you are watching this and you are liking and commenting, as far as I know from the past history, your chances are pretty good to win. But 2020 has been a very interesting year and who knows. And if you have not found me on TikTok, I think most of the people who are watching me have found me there. Thank you for watching me and my craziness. However, on TikTok, I started like 3 weeks ago and I have 4,500 followers. As of right now, actually, it was going, something crazy is happening and I have a lot more than, it just keeps growing every time I look. I can't even open the app right now because I'm so busy. I've been so busy painting you ornaments. So comment and let me know if you would like the art-related Christmas theme, 2020 theme, or gnome theme ornaments. That is how I will categorize them. And then when I announce the winners, you will have to somehow send me your address, which I'm sure there's a way to do that, but you're going to have to check back maybe and see. I will pin the comment of the winners after the 5 days, okay? So, and if I don't hear from you, or if I can't figure out how to hear from, I could probably message you somehow, but feel free to message me at iheartartstudios@gmail.com. You can also find information on my website at iheartartstudios.com, or you can purchase these in my shop event at how do you say even? At iheartartstudios.com, and then click the tab to go to my shop. Anyway, I don't know what the next video is that I'm going to post, and I don't know when it is that I'm going to post because I've been busy. All right, I'll see you guys. Keep being creative, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. No, I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, 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 I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, 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 I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, 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 I'm a gnome, I'm a gnome, gnome, gnome.